Hello, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to integrate, and what an integral is just basically the opposite of a derivative. So let's say I have the derivative of x squared, that should give me 2x, and now if I take the integral of 2x, that should give me x squared plus c, a constant. So I'm going to teach you how to get from 2x to x squared. So I'm gonna integrate this function 5x squared plus 2x plus 3 over 5. So we can start by distributing the integral or splitting the integral. So 5x squared over 5 dx plus the integral of 2x over 5 dx plus the integral of 3 over 5 dx. Now, like we did with derivatives, we can take constants out and we can rewrite this again. And you might see right here that we can cancel the 5's right here, but I'm not gonna do that. So let's take the constants out. 5 over 5, the integral of x squared dx plus 2 over 5 times the integral of x dx plus the integral of 3 over 5 dx. Now we can begin by applying our integral rules, and we're going to use this rule that says if you have x raised to a number, you then add 1 to that number and divide by that new number. And notice that it says n cannot equal -1. So let's do that. 5 over 5 times x 2 plus 1, that's 3 over 3 plus 2 over 5 times, and remember x, there's a 1 here, so 1 plus 1, that's 2 over 2 plus, and we're going to use this other rule right here which says if you have k, which is a constant, you then multiply that constant by x, and that's your answer. So 3 over 5 times x, and don't forget the c plus c, a constant, because it's an indefinite integral, so you gotta add that c. Now that's our answer, but we're gonna simplify it, so let's rewrite it. 5x cubed over 15 plus the 2's cancel here, over 5 plus 3x over 5 plus c. Now we can simplify a little more and multiply this by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so we can have the same denominator. So now we're gonna have 5x cubed over 15 plus 3x squared over 15 plus 9x over 15 plus c, and that's our answer. 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x over 15 plus c. And a lot of these steps you could skip, like just do mental math, but I just decided to show you what I did. And now we're gonna jump to the next problem. So now we're gonna integrate 5x plus 3 over square root of x, and we can rewrite this as the integral of 5x over square root of x dx plus the integral of 3 over the square root of x dx. Now we can write it again as x to the 1/2 raised to the 1/2 dx plus the integral of 3 over x to the 1/2 dx. Now, like we did before, we take the constants out, so the 5, integral of x over x to the 1/2 dx plus 3 1 over x to the 1/2 dx. Now, right here, we rewrite it as 5 times the integral of x to the 1/2, because we have a 1 right here, and 1/2, or 1 minus 1/2, that's going to give us 1/2. Exponent rules. And now we have this, and we can actually forget this, move this x to the 1/2 to the top, and now it becomes negative 1/2. Exponent rules. Now we can begin applying our integral rules. We're gonna use this one right here, this one. Okay, so we have 5 times, what's 1/2 plus 1, that's 3/2, so we have x raised to 3/2 over 3/2 plus 3 times, what's negative 1/2 plus 1, that's 1/2, so x to the 1/2 over 1/2 plus our constant c. Now we have 5x raised to 3/2 over 3/2 plus 3x to the 1/2 over 1/2 plus c. And that's like saying 5x to 3 raised to 3/2 times 2 over 3 plus 3x to the 1/2 times 2 over 1 plus c. So we have 10x raised to 3/2 over 3 plus 6x raised to the 1/2 plus c. And we can just leave it like that, or write it like this. Plus c. And that's our answer. Now let's jump to the next problem.